Ever find it hard to eat healthy during a busy week? Does the thought of preparing meals ahead of time seem like a daunting task? Worry not. This video brings you a list of practical and easy-to-follow meal prep hacks. These tips are designed to help you maintain a balanced diet, save time, and reduce stress, even on your busiest days. First off, planning is key. Dedicate a specific day of the week to plan your meals. This could be Sunday or any other day that suits you best. Take a few moments to decide what meals you'd like to have for the coming week. This will help you streamline your grocery shopping and avoid buying unnecessary items. Secondly, make use of your freezer. Cook meals in bulk and freeze portions for later. This saves you both time and energy. Be it a hearty soup, a vibrant curry, or a wholesome casserole, these dishes freeze well and can be quickly reheated when you're ready to eat. Next, consider multitasking in the kitchen. While your main dish is cooking, use that time to prepare your sides or snacks. Chop vegetables, make a salad, or whip up a batch of healthy muffins. This way, you're making the most of your time in the kitchen. Another helpful tip is to invest in good quality storage containers. Choose glass or BPA-free plastic containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe. Having a variety of sizes will allow you to store different types of food, from large batches of meals to individual servings of snacks. Remember, meal prep isn't just about dinners. Breakfasts and lunches can be prepped ahead too. Overnight oats, chia pudding, and hard-boiled eggs are great breakfast options. For lunch, consider prepping salads in jars, or making a batch of grain bowls. Lastly, don't forget about the power of spices and sauces. They can transform a plain meal into an exciting one. Keep a selection of spices and sauces at hand to add variety to your meals. To summarize, meal prep can be a lifesaver during a busy week. Plan your meals ahead, make use of your freezer, multitask in the kitchen, invest in good storage containers, and don't forget about breakfasts, lunches, and the power of spices and sauces. With these practical hacks, you'll be well on your way to eating healthier, saving time, and reducing stress. Remember, the goal is to make meal prep work for you, so feel free to adapt these tips to suit your lifestyle and preferences. So, with a little planning and these handy tips, you can conquer the kitchen and your busy schedule. Here's to healthier, stress-free eating.